So you might be asking yourself, what makes this car special? Instead of telling you, I'm just gonna show you. If you're looking for a red-blooded American muscle car that has supercar levels of performance, visit HennesseyPerformance.com or call us for units that are now available for immediate delivery.